Motion and types of motion. In our day-to-day life, we see many moving objects. Moving objects are said to be in motion. Discuss what objects in the above picture are in motion. What differences are seen in their motion. Motion while waiting for a bus at a bus stand. Other vehicles disappear to be in the state of motion. On the other hand, when you are in motion yourself, a still object appears to be moving. For example, the trees are seen to run backwards while you are traveling in a train. If an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be in motion. Change of place of an object is called displacement. An object in motion continuously undergoes displacement. The continuous displacement of a object is called motion. Linear motion. A train or a moving vehicle on a road may travel in a straight line or in the same direction. This motion of an object is called linear motion. An object in linear motion shows displacement along a straight line. If you stand on a chair, release a ball from the hand, it falls to the floor. What do you conclude from this? Compare the motion of soldiers on parade and a girl coming down a slide. The motion of soldier in the parade is the same. During that period, not even a slight difference is seen. However, the motion of the girl coming down and the slide are not appear to be in uniform. The girl comes down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes on increasing continuously. The motion of a marching soldier is uniform linear motion. Because of this motion, no change is seen. On the other hand, the motion of girl coming down the slide is non-uniform linear motion. There are two main types of linear motion: uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. When the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is called continuously the same, the motion is called uniform linear motion. Non-uniform linear motion, the object the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keeps on changing. The motion is called non-uniform linear motion. Non-linear motion, the motion of an object that does not move in a straight line, is called non-linear motion. Non-linear motion may be of two types. What kind of moving does the swing in a spark shoe? The swing always comes back and the end to the same end. It takes about the same time for each swing to oscillation. This movement of a swing is called oscillatory motion. Similar, the movements of a pendulum of a clock, the wing of a bird, the needle of sewing machine, the vibration diagram of a tabla or drum are also examples of oscillatory motion. The motion of a body that oscillating, example swing back and forth, is called oscillatory motion. The hand of a clock moving in a circular manner, similar a fan, a giant wheel and merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route. In our day-to-day life, we come across many examples of objects that trace a circular path. When we see many objects, many such examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion, that some objects complete one round or one oscillatory in a fixed period or time. For example, the minute hand of a minute completes on one round in exactly 60 minutes every year. And while a merry-go-round also completes every round in the same time, such motion is called periodic motion. While chasing a butterfly in a garden, do you run along a definite path or in the same direction all the time? No, really, a butterfly constantly flits from one flower to another. There is no definite direction to its motion. Such motion is called random motion. The motion of the player of the game of a football is also of this type. The manner motion, crawling baby or a wandering animal is also random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Speed. A bus covers the distance of about 200 kilometers from Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. How much distance does this bus will cover in 1 hour? While solving this example, you take the ratio of the distance traversed and the time required to traverse that distance. For this ratio, we come to know the distance traversed by the bus in 1 unit of time. Always remember, a moving object may not have only one type of motion. What we have learned: objects in motion are those that change their position continuously. These The various types of motion are linear, uniform linear, non-uniform linear, oscillatory, circular, periodic, and random motion. The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called its speed. The time required to traverse a certain distance speed depends upon the speed of the object. Thank you.